Last year, Lyn Hair factory in Vietnam sent me some bundles in Nigeria to try out, and of course I did that on this channel, carrying out different tests on this hair like the scrape test, the bond test, and also the bleach test. You all saw how this hairs bleached beautifully. I mean, the raw hair bleached into blonde, and also the Remy hair bleached into light brown, and most of you all agree with me that the hair is of good quality.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Kristyanah, a Nigerian-based YouTuber, but right now I'm in Vietnam and I'm inside Lyn Hair factory. So guys, welcome back, and like I said before, I'm right here in Lyn Hair office in Vietnam, Hanoi to be precise, and these are the quality of hair. I mean, there's no quality of hair they say in Vietnam that Lyn Hair does not have. They have the baby thin hair, they have the virgin hair, they have the raw hair, and they have good quality. Some people said the other time that I posted a video of them the first time, they were like, it's a promotion, they probably sent you the good hairs, they probably sent you the best hairs, but right now I'm in their factory, okay? So this is not a matter of they sent me a good hair, this is good hairs, and I'm telling you for a fact that the qualities are top notch. You all know me, if the quality is not good, I will tell you that the quality is not good, but what I'm seeing right here is a very good quality. I've bleached their Remy hair before on my channel, and also their raw hair, which lifted to 613. So their hair lift to 613. The Remy hair too can be bleached to like brown, which I will put in a video of it here. I've tested it out on my channel before, but these are the top quality hair. These are their baby thin hair, and you all need to see this hair. Please come close. Come. So these are their baby thin hairs. These are in natural states. These are the natural color. Okay, you can see one bundle like this is from a donor, another one is from a donor. You can see the quality and the texture. You can see the color too. This is slightly brown and this is natural black. Okay, they have baby thin hairs in long length. They have their raw hair, they all lift to 613. Okay, if you get this, you can lift it to 613. If you get this one too, you can lift it to 613.
This right here is another point of view of their raw baby thin hair. Okay, when I mean baby thin hair, it means the hairs are collected from young girls not above the age of 18, so the hairs are so lush, the strands are so healthy, and these are the quality they're dishing out at Lyn Hair at the best prices.
They have different quality, various quality, and this right here is their Remy hair. Okay, I've shown you guys their Remy hair quality before. It's so nice. See, these are Remy hair, and this is what some factories are selling to you as virgin. This is me saying and telling you the fact that their hairs are of good quality. This is so good, trust me when I say that. So they also have this. These are raw hair. This, you can see, is of good quality. Okay, they bleach this place to like ash and the rest to blonde, which I absolutely love. This is their bouncy. Okay, this is 14 inches SDD. It bounces back. All you have to do is just roll it and you have a bounce back. Like, the quality is so good. Okay, so if you have been wanting a very bouncy hair, come to Lyn Hair. All you have to do is just roll it back and it's gonna roll. You can see this. You can see the quality yourself. Brush it and roll it back, you have the same bouncy hair. Aside from all this pattern you've seen here, I mean the bouncy bummies and all that, this is another top quality from them, which is from a raw hair. This is their natural wavy hair, and you can see the quality is so good. So there's no pattern, I mean coil pattern that you want that they did not produce. They produce it for you. Look at this, it has a very natural brown tip. This is not the regular brown tip that you see that is actually bleached. You know, some factory actually bleach the tip of their hair to get this brown, but this is actually natural. This is natural from the donor, and you can see this is about 6 bundles of hair, which is giving luxury. Okay, this is Remy, right?
Yes.
This is the Remy hair quality, and you can see it Bome's coil in Remy quality. This is what people are buying as raw donor from some vendor. Okay, I'm not gonna mention name, but this is what you guys are buying as the single donor from some vendor. This is Bome's. Okay, and it's so fine. So rush to their DM. I'm going to put the contact detail on the screen and also in the description box of this video. And with this, I can actually assure you that you're getting, I'm seeing the hairs here right now, and I can tell you that they're of good quality. So you're going to get the best from them. Just tell them that you are coming from me and you get the best. With that being said, we've come to the end of today's video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.